So after making your little balls here, you take one and you sort of open it up. Doesn't have to be paper thin, but it has to be thin. Okay? Now, you go to your pan.
Preheated?
You preheat a little bit the pan, and you sort of put a bit of olive oil on the pan. Okay. And then you take your pita and you put it in the pan. And you wait for a few minutes. While that's cooking, you can go and do another one. Okay, let's see what's doing over here. A little bit more.
Do you want to put the
What?
heat
Higher? No.
higher? No.
No, because I don't want it to burn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I put a little bit too much of
Olive oil.
olive oil. But anyway, you can put now on this side, the side that we're going to turn over. Okay, just a touch.
So it's kind of like pita pancakes.
Like yeah, sort of. If we had put yeast, then it'll sort of a little bit
Rise
a little bit more. So it sort of blows up a bit.
Wow. Wonderful. Looks great.
It made it maybe a little bit thinner. We'll see with the next one what will be.
Okay.
Needs a bit of patience.
Patience in these days. We don't have anything but patience by staying home.
Yeah. And while making the dough, you can. This time I didn't put anything, just some salt. But you can put thyme leaves. You can put parsley. You can put some chopped garlic, crushed garlic into your dough. Crushed garlic with parsley. I mean, the sky's the limit. Whatever you want, you can make it. You can put some the salt. You can put some red pepper salt. You know, the Ayali's famous chili salt, and that's it. And once it's done, you can you use it to eat it with your hummus, with your whatever you made at home.
So the next video will be hummus?
Well, no, today we don't have hummus. No, today is not hummus. For me, I think it's a little bit thick. That's why it takes so much time. But we'll see the other one in a minute, in a second, how it'll be. Let's see if we put it on a higher fire.
It will go faster.
If it'll go faster, the other one, the second one will definitely go faster.
So this is a Greek pita?
No, this is an invented pita, although I saw it on YouTube, but it's not the Greek pita. The Greek pita, which I saw on YouTube, but it has yeast, of course, and sugar, and but the system is the same. I was looking for something without sugar and without yeast.
Mm-hmm.
So
it's like kosher for Pesach.
Kosher for Pesach, let's say, but it's got flour, so it's not kosher for Pesach. But it's 1 cup of flour, about a cup of yogurt, and I used sheep yogurt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and salt to taste, as much salt as you want. Here, I think it's done, and before we try it, I'll put it here. Okay, and I'll put the other one. Okay, I'll cut a piece, and I'll give it to Eyal.
Nice. Not bad. It'll be very nice with a nice dip. Wonderful. Maybe with an olive.
Here's the second one. You see, it's got
Would you stop?
you see, it's bubbling already. Wait a second.
I think it's better than the first one.
Yeah, because the heat also is higher. Okay, that's it. And I'm going to go and prepare the other ones. Enjoy. Bye.